this is going to be one big job. So basically, driving in the car, I felt, first things first, I need new tires. So I got these Yokohama AD08 Neovas. And I thought, hey, since I'm going to change the tires, why not change the wheels? So I got these Watanabe Type R 15 by 8.5s. And yeah, it looks spectacular. And since I thought, hey, since we're changing out the wheels, let's drop the car a little bit. Let's get some Annex suspension. These are Fast Road Pros coilovers with 6 kg front Swift springs and the Battle Garage times Swift springs collaboration 4.7 kg. And I was thinking, well, if I'm going to switch out the coilovers, I'm going to need to remove the hubs, so I might as well do the brakes. So yeah, we're going to do the brakes too. So these are Porterfield R4S, 4RS. What are these? R4S brake pads, and I've used them in my white car and I love them. And thought, hey, since we're changing out the brake pads, let's change out the brake rotors too. So I went with these endless slotted brake rotors. And I was thinking, hey, since we're gonna lower the car, the rear panhard is gonna shift over a little bit. So I got a Cusco adjustable panhard or lateral rod. Wait, if I get the lateral rod, I need to get the bushings. Powerflex bushings. You can see how this kind of spiraled out of control. For more control, let's get to it. feels about right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. This has been greased before. Someone's been here. These have been greased. Someone's definitely been in here. Oh. Hey guys, it's very late, and yeah, I just had to crack on without recording a lot of the things. But basically, the pads are on, the rotors are on, coilovers are now set with a preload set. So I actually lowered it a few times already and got the ride height just about right, and then I set the preload by having the axle on full droop, and then whatchamacallit, winding up the shock until the spring is preloaded, basically. So this is full droop, and yeah, the spring is preloaded. I'm very tired. But yeah, I'm gonna get the shot of this on the ground just to see what it looks like now. Oh, tires flat. But that's it. Yeah. Just gotta fill this up with air in the morning. Can't do it now because the air compressor makes too much noise. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, time skip part 2. Yeah, so I got the car onto 2 wooden blocks. I jacked up the rear as well and got them on jack stands, and yeah, I just went ahead to go align the car, and I'm doing it the old school way with a good old string. Since the rear is a solid rear axle, that should be technically, in theory, straight or true straight. So as long as you match the rear wheels to the back wheels, then that's perfectly zero toe. And yeah, I just line up the string just to get a measurement, and holy shit, it's perfect. It's on zero toe on both sides. I just replaced the entire suspension, lowered it, new wheels, and I don't need to align it. It's perfect. Whew. Here I am thinking I need to spend like another 30 to an hour aligning the car. It's already midnight. And yeah, I don't have to. It's good to go. Sweet. That's that. I have a lot of packing up to do, which I don't think you guys will want to see. It's dark out, so I will catch you in the morning where we will see this thing in the sunlight. Hey guys, so it's the next day and we're out here at this beautiful location. Unfortunately, it's really windy outside, so I'm gonna have to talk to you from inside the car. So, how does the car feel? Well, it's completely different. That's what I can say. It's a huge improvement over the suspension that I had before. And like, the only thing is what I said about the alignment, about it being straight and true. Well, it really isn't. It's just that slightly a bit off. So I think what's next is a proper, professionally done alignment with corner balancing and yeah, getting the ride height just right. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah, the car just looks beautiful. That's one thing with the drop and the new wheels and tires. It just, oh man, it's just a complete transformation. It's, you know, when they say that wheels, tires, and coils aren't a build, it's mainly because it does a lot already. So I think it looks awesome and the car drives amazing. I will be making another video on how it handles and the improvements and the Annex suspension. So yeah, stick around for the review of that. But until then, hey, leave a like, leave a comment, and really do consider subscribing because we have a lot of awesome stuff coming. Yeah, follow me on Instagram at Progression Drift, follow our official page, Progression Motorsport, and follow Eric at outrun.86. And if you want to follow Nick, he's Bae, BAE86, and that's on Instagram. We update regularly on Instagram, so if you want to see some fresh content or like fresh teasers, that's the spot to check us out. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Progression Motorsports. Here's a question. Is it panhard or is it pinard? The answer is lateral rod.